Welcome to MAPOG, where maps come to life. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the world of biosphere reserves. These vital sanctuaries protect our planet's biodiversity, and with MAPOG, you can explore them like never before. The output map is adorned with pictured icons, each representing a biosphere reserve, showcasing its key fauna. That's the power of MAPOG. Let's see the step-by-step process. First, navigate to MAPOG Map Analysis interface. Then, click on Create Data option. Now select Create Point Data to initiate the process of adding point data to the map. Create Point Data tool open now. First, give a name to the layer with the Biosphere Reserve name. Then click Add More button to include additional attributes to the data points. Enter the desired attribute name, such as Key Fauna. And also, select the appropriate attribute type from the available options, in this case, custom text to accommodate the names of the key fauna. Once the attribute details are specified, click Submit. Then click Save. Now proceed to add individual data points representing biosphere reserves using one of three available options. Manually dropping points using the drop point feature. Searching for specific addresses or PIN code using the search address functionality. Entering precise latitude and longitude coordinates via the latitude and longitude option. This option is preferred for this particular work. First, put the latitude and longitude of the area, then click Plot Location. Now fill in the attribute values and add. Give the untitled map a suitable name from the Edit Map Name option and click Save Map. Now one Biosphere Reserves point layer is added. Similarly, create individual point layers for each biosphere reserve. After creating all biosphere reserve point layers, it is now time to visually distinguish each biosphere reserve on the map and customize the icons representing the data points by the image of the key fauna. For that, navigating to the specific layer containing the point data. Accessing the action menu and selecting Edit Style. Choosing the basic style option to modify the icon. Select the Add Icon option. Choose the desired image file, depicting the key fauna to serve as the new icon. Repeat the icon customization process for each biosphere reserve point layer and change the icons for all the layers. Here the final map, showcasing biosphere reserves, each represented by an icon featuring its key fauna, is now ready for use and exploration. Wildlife enthusiasts, researchers, and policymakers can explore and analyze biodiversity hotspots, aiding in conservation efforts and fostering a deeper understanding of our natural world. In a world where understanding our environment is paramount, MAPOG empowers you with visually engaging and informative tools. Explore, learn, and make a difference. Visit MAPOG today and discover the world anew. Thanks for watching. Have any queries? Contact us at support@mapog.com for more possibilities.